he's doing. He seems to be eating something. I don't know if it was something that came home on the plant. It looks like a bug of some kind, but I can't tell. Or maybe he's birthing it? I don't know what the fuck is going on. Wait, sorry, it's hard to, right, because I'm zoomed way in so I can stay back. Wait, dang it. Okay, where did he go? There he is. I can't zoom in anymore, I don't think. See? Right? What the fuck? This is like science fiction stuff. Oh, he just bit off whatever that was. Maybe he's coming up? I don't know what he's doing. Wish I could get he does seem to be eating whatever that is. It's so weird. I don't know what it is though. Maybe a caterpillar? Look at all those spiny-like things. Let's see about this. Right. And why is he doing it on my new plant? Did he come home with me? I don't think so. I would have noticed.